Good afternoon, student. Welcome to your class 9th science class in which we study biology. Today we will continue our chapter 6 tissue and our topic is nervous tissue. That is the last topic of animal tissue. After this we complete the all animal tissues and in next after the first unit second unit test we study about the plant tissue. So today our topic is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. This tissue is mainly related to the brain and spinal cords, and the cells which are present or which form the nervous tissues is called nerve cells. Nerve cells or neurons. Neurons. So we can say that neurons are the basic unit of the nervous tissue. In exams, very short question asks from you that what are the basic unit of nervous tissue? Then your answer is neurons or nerve cells. Now you see here the structure of a nervous tissue. Nervous tissue made up of three parts. First is cyton, or we can say it cell body. Cyton or cell body. And second one is dendrons. Dendrons. And third one is axon. Okay. Nervous tissue made up of three parts. First one is the cyton or cell body, second one is the dendrons, and third one is the axon. Cell body. Now we discuss the cell body. What is this? Cell body is the central part of nervous tissue that contains high amount of cytoplasm via dense cytoplasm. Dense means D-E-N-S-E, dense means thick. Thick cytoplasm. And a nucleus is also present in the cell body. Next is dendrons. From base point of the cell body, some dendrons or some fibers like structures are present which are called dendrons. These are dendrons from which many dendrites are arises. Dendrites are arises. Dendrites are the branch part of dendrons. Next, third one is the axon. It is a cylindrical structure that arises from the basal part of the cell body, and from the terminal of the axon many dendrons are attached or dendrons are arises that connected with the next nervous tissue. This whole structure, one axon, one dendron attached with each other, and they function. What is the function of this nervous tissue? The function is that they provide the signal throughout the body from brain to the other organs to work. So in axon you see some species are present that are called nodes of Ranvier. So what is the main function of nervous tissue? Nervous tissue's main function is to provide the signals or impulses. We can say impulses that generated from the brain or organs. If we touch a hot pot, then we simultaneously push out our hand. Why? Because a impulse generates from our hand and then goes into the mind, and then our mind gives signals to our hand that we push our hand back. So this whole work is done by nervous tissue. So nervous tissue provide the informations or signals to each organs. Nervous tissues neurons connected with each other. One dendrites connected to other dendrites. In dendrites, some whole rounded like structures are present which are called synaptic nodes, or we can say it also button, synaptic node or button. This is all about the nervous tissue. This diagram is also very important for your examination level. So please draw it neatly and well labeled in your notebooks and read it also. It is a very important tissue. Thank you so much. We completed our animal tissue today. Have a nice day.